Alright, so what are we doing here there?
Go turn that fan on in the bathroom, please.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, please.
Are you sure?
Yeah. We got some, what we have in this hole, we have some, what do you call those blackbirds, Josh?
Well, I don't know, blackbirds.
No. There's a name, they have a name.
Well, they're just,
No, they're frickin',
they're a pain in the ass.
no, you know.
Something. Yes,
Yeah.
I know. All I know is we're good at what we do.
Okay, there's nothing in there. Now, right now I'm gonna tape it.
Do you want to, here, grab this and check in the hole with it.
We use green tape.
Show the inside the hole.
We use green tape.
There's a nice shot in there. Make sure it's like, no, hold it. Yeah, there we go. The screen will go dark, but as long as you're aiming it, you'll get a good shot.
Get out of there. Okay.
There, drop it down. This is
This is to be visible down the street. So
this is so the birds know that the hole is blocked.
This is going to be our new house color.
Lime green. It goes great with the shutters.
Nobody goes for a shit anymore.
Who cares about venting the steam when you take a shower?
That's right.
We have cold showers here.
Nice.
Beauty. Now, come on, go over the side of the hole. Come on. You're not going to do
This is a temporary repair.
They're going to pull it right off, I bet you.
Temporary.
Go sideways so that it grabs on the lip.
It won't. I'll screw the bastard. Nice. How does it look like, Josh?
It looks great, Dad. It's awesome.
Nice.
By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Hustle Coral Vlogs for awesome random shit like this.
What's the name of these fucking birds?
They're black. They're blackbirds. I don't know.
No. Bombos.
Sterlings. That's what they are.
Sterling's out.
Oh, that's great.
Nice.
Bring your kid to the bar day. Right on.
That's visible?
That's quite the great. Could already hear them chirping, bud. They're all like,
Okay, big bitch. Grab the end of the ladder.
Did you hear this guy? What did you say, sir?
Big bitch.
Oh.